In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart services, Nginx, Apache, MySQL, in Cloudways. This is a quick, safe way to resolve common issues like high load, stalled requests, or configuration changes that need a fresh start. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along with confidence. First, log into your Cloudways platform dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with the proper permissions to manage servers. If you work in a team, it's a good idea to confirm you're operating in the right workspace to avoid touching the wrong environment. Once you're in, click Servers in the top menu. This area is dedicated to server-level actions, which impact all applications hosted on that machine. It's different from the Applications section, which only affects individual apps. Choose the server where your application is hosted. If you manage multiple servers, take a moment to verify you've selected the correct one. Double-checking the server name, size, or region can save you from restarting services on the wrong box, especially in production environments. Under Server Management, click Manage Services. This is the control center for the software that powers your stack. From here, you'll access the tools that handle web traffic, PHP execution, caching, and your database engine. You'll see a list of services such as Apache, Nginx, MySQL, or MariaDB, PHP FPM, Redis, and Varnish. A quick refresher. Nginx typically acts as a reverse proxy and serves static files efficiently. Apache runs your dynamic web requests. MySQL or MariaDB powers your database. PHP FPM handles PHP processes for your applications. Redis is an in-memory cache that speeds up data access. Varnish caches full pages to reduce load and improve response times. Next to the service you want to restart, click Restart. This will briefly stop and start that service, which may cause a momentary interruption, so it's best to do this during low traffic periods. Restarting Nginx or Apache is common after making changes to web server rules. PHP FPM restarts can help clear stuck processes. Restarting MySQL or MariaDB can resolve certain database hiccups, though it will temporarily disrupt queries. Keep in mind that these services operate at the server level, so the action will affect every application hosted on that server. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Servers, select the right server, open Manage Services, review the services list, and click Restart beside the one you need. Repeat as necessary for any other services. With this process, you can safely and quickly restore normal operations without diving into the command line.